see there's an entire dining table. The room is so huge, has several windows with the view of the EDSA. There's like an entertainment room in here. So this one has a bathtub, has a separate shower in there, and a toilet. So here we are at the VS Hotel. We're staying at the suite room. The door is so hard to close, and their power is right over there. You see there's an entire dining table. The room is so huge, has several windows with the view of the EDSA. There's like an entertainment room in here. So this one is actually perfect if you're prepping for a wedding or an event, because it's huge and could accommodate a lot of guests in here. There's one closet. There's you could see the huge bed. I think it's a king size bed. There's about 3 air cons. You can see the condo from here, although it's dark right now. There's no light. You can see the bathroom. It has a bathtub, and there's a his and hers lavatory, and a separate shower in there, and a toilet. Although it kind of smells bad in here. Maybe the drain is not, or it's dirty. So that's the VS Hotel suite room tour. See you in the next video.